It's gonna be a bike check. My 2010 DK Helio. Basically, the only thing that's a DK Helio is the frame and the cranks. Since my last bike check, I recently sanded them so they don't wear out. Still got the twisted PC pedals, stock chain sprocket, which I just ordered a shadow interlock chain. E-clat, one-piece plastic seat. I put on my Odyssey lumberjack bars with Colt D-Hart grips. Just got them. I also got new tires, Animal GLH. I like them. I only rode on them once so far, so I like them so far. They hold a lot of PSI in them, so I got the nitrous front wheel, nitrous OG forks, like I said, the twisted PCs, Eastern bidirectional, lace 2 Eastern rim. It's chrome because I ran brakes, but I don't run brakes on it no more. Animal GLH in the back. That's basically my bike check. And I'll let you guys hear the hub if you like. Got a little bend in my wheel. Clear that out pretty soon. Well, it's my bike check.